We all use data to make better business decisions, but presenting facts and figures can be a bit like watching paint dry. If you've ever wished you could share your data in a more dynamic way, Microsoft 3D Maps is the perfect solution. This 3D visualization tool gives you the power to view and present information like never before. Using a 3D globe or customized map, you can gain brand new insights into your company's performance and understand more about how your customers behave in different areas. Here are some of the cool things 3D Maps can do. Plot more than 1 million rows of data in perfect harmony with Microsoft Excel. Use time-lapse to show how datasets change over time, and create cinematic videos and stunning images to engage your audience in a completely new way. Office 365 subscribers can find 3D Maps on the Insert tab in Excel. Just click Insert Map and get exploring. There are hundreds of hidden power features in Office 365 we can show you, and we can supply you with Office 365 if you're not already a subscriber. Contact us today.